Nature opens its doors only to those who dare to get acquainted with it. Exploring the wilderness and contacting intact beauties attract us all. However, it is almost impossible to achieve this without being equipped in real terms. Being ready for all conditions, taking any road dauntlessly, taking measures against any trouble, and feeling at home in the heart of nature. They are no longer dreams. As sturdy as an airplane, as sheltered as a ship, as neat as a train, as persistent as an off-road vehicle, and as comfortable as your home. SMG Mammoth Trailer. The paradigm of human and nature. This is the inspiration that guides SMG Mammoth's design and engineering. The SMG Mammoth was detailed by calculating all kinds of challenging conditions. Power, aesthetic, and prestige are all together. It is very familiar to nature and to the city. Ideally scaled boots, cleverly designed practical storage areas, a spacious kitchen, and an unusually comfortable tent. Every detail is the product of subtle wit. It is virtually a blind alley for unexpected surprises. Potential power has never been so apparent, as enticing and as inviting as nature. It is in the heart of the nature, just in the middle of nature. Enjoy peace, safety, comfort, and practicality. The SMG is comfortable, reassuring, and encompassing. With its capacious and practical boots, your luggage is no longer a burden. Its neat design that allows carrying everything suitably makes it very practical. Being neat is up its alley. With its spacious living space, a wonderful section for premium taste, practical and functional, just as it should be. With its sensibly sized and logically placed equipment, anything you need will be just in the right place. Large water deposits can easily meet all your water needs during long and crowded camps. Finding water is no longer a problem. The SMG Mammoth symbolizes a portable life. The chassis of the SMG Mammoth is designed with the harshest nature conditions in mind. Technicality and aesthetics are brought together. It is designed as suitable for off-road. Ease of tow connection is enough to distinguish it from other vehicles. The SMG Mammoth is so strongly attached to the vehicle that it's almost impossible to detach from the vehicle. Independent suspension systems allow a smooth ride with an enormous maneuver capability. The SMG Mammoth, with its chassis designed to carry heavy loads, never leaves you in the lurch. The details in the chassis are all engineering marvels that take different road conditions, different times of day, and natural conditions into consideration. The SMG Mammoth has an ergonomically designed chassis that can meet all your needs and that has a high maneuver capacity. The SMG Mammoth trailer proceeds on its way without harming nature and without harming itself. The SMG Mammoth absolutely turns heads. With the SMG Mammoth, you choose where you will camp. Explore nature. Choose your view and park it. With all its space, substantiality and comfort, your tent is ready in a very short time. With large space for sleeping and additional rooms, the tent is designed with the needs of large families in mind and ensures that you become a part of nature. With your magnificent house, you can easily mingle with the real dwellers of nature. The durable tent makes you feel at home with all details for your comfort. The wide bed, not to be mixed with the classical sponge beds, is specially produced for you to rest comfortably and enjoy the view. You can feel at home and sleep without finding your place odd. You can sleep peacefully in an adequately lighted space without being disturbed by small guests. Besides, you can very quickly heat or cool your tent. With extra protective additions and a heating system, you always enjoy comfort to the fullest in all seasons. You can enjoy a semi-open kitchen thanks to the protective tilt with 270-degree angle. You do not have to spend a lot of time or energy for all this comfort you will have. You can get ready and set out just in 15 minutes. The kitchen in the SMG Mammoth is designed to meet the expectations of master chefs. Brand new materials, elaborate workmanship, and the largest area for cooking considering the outdoor space in nature. Thanks to large refrigerant and freezer sections, crowded meetings are no longer a problem. In such a large cutting space, cooking inevitably becomes art. Thanks to special materials, you do not need to protect it from scratches and deformation. With several cooking choices available, you will save cooking time and have the most delicious meals in the appetizing fresh air. The kitchen counter and the sink where you can wash the dishes, fruits and vegetables are neatly designed. Hygiene in nature is no longer a luxury. You don't need to think about extra solutions for different cooking choices. Real barbecue, with its taste, pleasure, and most importantly, with its practicality, has become available with the SMG Mammoth, and of course, with some other fine details. The SMG Mammoth is equipped with top-notch technology. It has an advanced electronic computer that can be easily operated and offers a very high level of safety. With the SMG Mammoth's intelligent electronic system, you can enjoy safe driving and comfortable accommodation. It monitors the whole system in the background when you're enjoying nature. You can manage the entire electronic system of the SMG Mammoth from a single screen or from your mobile phone. Thanks to the Bluetooth connection, it's easy to switch all lights, the water pump, inverter, and refrigerator on and off from your phone. Through the app, you can monitor the fill rate of the water tank and batteries, the temperature of the battery, the refrigerator, and the weather outside, reporting all electronic situations visually. The control panel also informs you of the possible problem. At the end of your stay, the moment you get into your vehicle and start the ignition, it automatically terminates all the predetermined electronic activities such as lamps and water pump. Only your refrigerator works when you're on the road. The SMG Mammoth features powerful accumulators that can carry all these loads. No accumulator swelling. You can now forget about bad surprises such as shortcuts, inverse polarity, and excess current. The system activates the alarm if necessary, not leaving you unaware of unexpected situations. The automatic switch-off feature prevents the battery from completely discharging, while the power-saving feature prevents unnecessary use of the battery. You can charge the SMG Mammoth batteries in 3 practical ways. Any type of socket will charge the SMG Mammoth, or while your car's engine is active, it keeps this energy by charging itself. In addition, thanks to solar panels, it does not lose any of its power out in nature. In all of these methods, the SMG Mammoth's intelligent management system enables charging without external intervention. Whether on the road or in the countryside, energy management never fails. The SMG Mammoth features an electromagnetic brake system. As soon as you press the brake, the electromagnetic brakes are activated. The instantaneous reaction time of braking is equivalent to that of your vehicle. The SMG Mammoth's electronic system is not influenced from heat or moisture. Thanks to the inverter system, heavy electrical loads caused by air conditioning, the fridge, the compressor, the microwave oven, hairdryer, vacuum cleaner and drill can be easily managed. The SMG Mammoth trailer is more than enough to meet all your energy needs. You always have control over it with manageable safety precautions. Seeing it from every angle and discerning the refined taste in the whole from the fine details more than allures you into buying it. State-of-the-art technology, customized features, elegance, comfort, safety, caution, prestige, grace, and power. The SMG Mammoth will help you open new doors to the world. The most modern way of living in harmony with nature. The basic philosophy of its manufacturers is nature friendliness. Neither harming nature nor gets harmed itself. Commune with nature and enjoy it. It is both a city dweller and the son of nature, just like you. SMG Mammoth Trailer.